Alright, so we're going to do garden update, May 23rd. This is a watering station for all the transplants. I've just cleared out a whole bunch of these. These are newly transplanted. This fell down behind there, we got it back. Cleared out a bunch of weeds from a lot of these things. This was overrun with weeds. A lot of these have been taken and transplanted. Not all food by any stretch. This is used for landscaping. There's a little bee house back there. Anyway, this is just a kind of quick overview of the rest of the space. This is potato. We've cut a hole in this so it goes up. This is Crystal over here. Hi, Crystal. Hi, sweetie. Yeah, who's a good girl? So up here we got all these topsy-turvies. Oh, what is that? Cabbage, and then some pepper. We got strawberry down here. Is this one good? Yo, am I gonna get a strawberry today? Heck yeah, I'll take it before the roly-polies do. They've ruined a bunch of them. Oh, there's a few. Cool. I'll take two. See, let's show you. Whoop, it's rotten. How do I show you? Yeah, see, they eat right in there. Into the sides. So you gotta try to keep them up off the ground if you can. Alright, I'll take three. Not as ripe or as large as I would like, but so what. Some more aloe, some more succulents that we use around the community. This whole back corner is like the last area that hasn't been tended to. Aloe and cactus, and what's this one? This is a mint? Nope, that's the lemon balm. It smells good. Once again, more jade, more aloe. Got a tomato. This is some kind of a squash. What do we got here? What is this, guys? There we go. What are we growing? Random squash, butternut squash, zucchini squash. You know, if it has these spindly arms, these little strings. There we go. You know, it's roughly somewhere in the squash family. But yeah, we're getting stuff here. So I put up the tomato cage, give it some strength. Keep it up off the ground. What else? Some more. Yeah, this is our red romaine lettuce. I really didn't get to this one fast enough. There's a lot of the leaves down here are getting turned. Some in the middle might be fine. I'm gonna make myself a salad. These are the transplants. Got a bunch of pots ready for projects. Got some onions. Scallions specifically. You got these bad boys. Look at that. Look at that one. It's our lemon tree. We got some tomatoes coming in. Those will be nice. Soon enough, we gonna get some tomatoes. Okay, moving on. Yeah, but here's the lemon. There you go. And some flowers that will turn into the lemons. Got some more. Oh, look at these guys. Yeah, that's gonna be good. This, I think I want to bring this up and over somehow. You know, just kind of tuck it away. There you go. So I kind of wrapped it. Some kale, looking mighty fine. Except for that one. Now here's some mint, right? Oh yeah, that's good. Neighbors back here using pop bottle containers and bleach. Whatever works, grow your food. Put some more strawberries up in here. There you go, strawberries. They're easy to propagate. That's a good picture. Let's take a picture. Okay. More strawberries here. Anything to harvest? Nah, not yet. But this is the greenhouse built. I'll show you that in a second. These are all the transplants from today. These all got potted today. Huh, Crystal? Did you help? So, these are all going to get moved to different locations. I like the colors. What we got? These are potatoes. So I just kind of filled it up in a big container. I think they're sweet potatoes. Just got some ground cover here. Some more red apple ground cover. Celery. Lettuce that went to seed. More mint, or so was that spearmint? Another mint. More random squash. This is lemongrass. I want to split this up, propagate it somehow, I'm not sure. This is random. Check this out. Look at this guy. I don't know what that's gonna be. But here's the inside of this greenhouse that the neighbor built. And it's pretty cool. He's gonna have to really watch this mint. It's gonna take over everywhere. That's what strawberries will do too, if you let them. In here, got some compost. By the way, this sprung up in the compost container. Nothing in there in particular. This is the new compost. But if you see back here, these are all transplants that came from this garden. And we've just gone down the line. How do I show this? See all that? That's on the other side of this. What you doing, Crystal? Anyway, here's the strawberries. Looking good, looking good. More kale. More kale, more kale, more kale, more kale, more kale. But really, look at the colors of these. I don't know if the colors are coming out as good as they are in real life. Crystal. Hi, sweetie. Crystal is a vaccinated, spayed girl cat. She's been with us for many years. Haven't she, baby? Anyway, here's some aloe. This is a huge pineapple. I don't know, 5 years? 6 years? More pineapple down here. Huge celery. This is Mama. Hey, sweetie. If you see their ears, If their ears are clipped a little bit, missing the point, that helps you know they've been trapped, neutered, and returned. But see, this is the drip system that we're on. Oh, hold on. What's Crystal do? Caught in the act. Anyway, this is the drip system here. This goes out to all of these. So this whole garden. Got some kale, some massive kale, and a bunch of salad lettuce that has gone to seed. Here's a good picture here. Cool. Yeah, the goal is to thin this out. Crystal, look back. Show off. Yeah, we got some peppers here. Gotta get some more production on the peppers. Got another random squash emanating from here, coming all the way through here. This is eggplant. Got the flowers. Got some old eggplant dying on the vine, some basil. That's pretty much what we got. This is potato. I'll have to transplant this. This is another mint. Oh yeah, man, that's good. Can't wait to have these strawberries. This one's probably ready too, huh? Almost. I'll give it a day. I try to keep these strawberries up and off the ground. That's how the roly-polies get to them. Little doggone potato bugs eating my crop. And that's the truth of it. Anyhow, this is the little box we have. And right here, hit that twice. Hear it? This is the box that houses the unit that goes all the way around this place. See, one of the main lines comes up here and then it splits off in multiple directions to kind of cover this whole area. And of course you'll get weeds, especially right at the drip site. But it's great. Works really well. And that's all I got for you today. I'll give you some more later. Take care, y'all.